Before we begin, if you enjoy honest tech comparisons and want help choosing the right apps for your lifestyle, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Now let's answer a question that comes up all the time. Which is the best music streaming service, Spotify or YouTube Music? The truth is, there isn't one universal winner. The better choice depends entirely on what kind of listener you are. If you're an audio-first user who mainly listens to music, podcasts, and audiobooks, Spotify is usually the better option. Spotify has a massive library of over 100 million official tracks, along with millions of podcasts and even audiobooks in certain regions. It focuses heavily on sound quality, offering up to 320 kilobits per second, with a lossless hi-fi tier expected in the future. Spotify also shines when it comes to music discovery. Features like Discover Weekly, Release Radar, the AI DJ, and the annual Spotify Wrapped make finding new music fun and highly personalized. Social features are another big plus. You can share what you're listening to, create collaborative playlists, and connect with friends easily. On top of that, Spotify offers a clean, intuitive interface and a dedicated desktop app, which many users still prefer. Now, YouTube Music plays a very different game. YouTube Music is best for people who value content variety and video integration. While it also offers over 100 million official tracks, its real strength is access to the wider YouTube ecosystem. This includes live performances, rare covers, remixes, and user-uploaded content that simply doesn't exist on Spotify. One standout feature is the ability to switch seamlessly between an audio track and its official music video. If you like watching performances or music videos while listening, this is something Spotify can't really match. YouTube Music's recommendations are also surprisingly strong, especially for niche, regional, or less mainstream music, thanks to YouTube's massive data backend. In terms of audio quality, YouTube Music maxes out at 256 kilobits per second, which is slightly lower than Spotify, but for most casual listeners, the difference isn't very noticeable. Where YouTube Music really wins is value. If you already subscribe to YouTube Premium, YouTube Music is essentially included. That means you get ad-free YouTube on your phone, TV, and computer, plus ad-free music streaming, all under one subscription. For many users, that bundle alone makes YouTube Music the smarter choice. That said, YouTube Music's interface can feel a bit cluttered since it blends music and video together, and on desktop it relies mainly on a web player instead of a full-featured app. So what's the final verdict? Spotify remains the top choice for serious music listeners who care about audio quality, podcasts, social features, and a polished, music-focused experience. It's a dedicated audio platform, and it shows. YouTube Music, on the other hand, is all about variety and convenience. If you're tired of YouTube ads and want access to an enormous library of music videos, live performances, and unique remixes, especially if you already pay for YouTube Premium, then YouTube Music offers incredible value. If this comparison helped you decide, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more app comparisons and tech tips, and comment below which service you're using right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.